Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post Reels on Facebook. It's a fantastic way to share your creativity with a wider audience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, make sure you have Facebook app installed on your phone. Open up to begin. Step 2. Navigate to Reel button. Next, go to Watch Videos icon, then go to Reels section. Click on Create Reels. Step 3. Select your reel. After clicking on the Create Reel button, you have to select a video from your camera roll that you want to upload. Step 4. Give title to your video. Now you have to give title to your video. Then, if you want to share the same reel on Instagram, swipe down and you will find an option Share to Instagram. Enable it. If you want to share the same reel on Instagram, Step 5. Post your reel. Now, post the video by clicking on the Post button at the bottom. Post button. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to post Reels on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.